Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can export Zoho Mail. So first, what you will have to do is make sure that you're logged into Zoho Mail and by the way, this will help you to save your email safely in case of account changes. So after logging into your Zoho Mail, you will have to go to settings, which is right here, or manage groups, and then you will search for import export emails. And once you see it, you will just have to click on it, and now what you will have to do is basically you will just have to browse. You will just have to click export as EML, and then what you will do now is choose the folder to export, such as um inbox, news, sent, archive, or whatsoever. And then you will also set the export date, and then after that you will uh click export with as email if you're done, and a download link will be emailed or provided on screen, and you will just have to save it securely on your computer. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.